Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Northwest Cape Coral, and I'm going to show you this beautiful Madison floor plan. Okay, this is a subscriber friend of mine that is building this home, and I just want to give him an update on how his home is doing. So what I'm going to do, like I do in all my videos, I'm going to first go around and then move in. And remember, this home is under construction. So let's go. Okay, so this home has 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it's a very nice floor plan. It sells really good. If for some instance you're watching this video and you like this floor plan and you would like to know more information, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. Okay. So as we can see, they already painted. They put the soffit and the facial. Stand over here in the corner. This home comes with pavers, so this enclosed area here will have pavers there. I stand over in this corner. This lot is an oversized lot, so that's why it seems a little bigger than usual the other lots, okay? Just to let you guys know. It's good because you have all this room here on the side. Over here, they're working on the septic tank and the water field. Okay. This over here is the tank, and that over there is the water field. When the tank fills up, he drops all the water in that area over there. Let me see if I can get through here and show you the inside. The inside is going to be a little dark too, that it has not electricity, so bear with me, but I'll at least show you the floor plan. As you come in, you got here bedroom number 1. This is the bathroom. Sorry, it's really dark in here. This is the camera, I can actually see the tub there. A closet here. Bedroom number 2. What I really like about this floor plan is bedroom number 3. So you have your garage entrance here. And then you got your laundry over here. And then back here, you got bedroom number 3. And it has its own bathroom here with a tub. So it's nice. A lot of people like that. It's like a miniature second master bedroom in a sense. Over here's where your AC is gonna go. And here on the left, that's gonna be the kitchen. That door there, that's the pantry. Stand over here so you guys can visualize how big this place is here. Over there will be your dining room. And here your living room. I'm gonna show you the dining room. And here it'll be the living room. Very big area. Here you got your slider that leads to the lanai. And here's the master bedroom. And then in here, let's see if you have enough light. Let me get out of the way. That will be your vanity with your double sink, your shower, and you got closet over here, another closet over here. No, this is the bathroom, this toilet. So you got this closet here, and you got this other bigger closet over here. So, like I was saying, if you're interested about this floor plan, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. Me and my wife have been working real estate in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral here for over 20 years. And if you're thinking about buying in Cape Coral, feel free to give us a call. We would love to help you guys out. We have a lot of new construction homes we can show you, and we can help you out with any questions you might have. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this small video, and I'll see you on the next one.